No Other Woman, a spoof by S.B. Choi. Mababaliw siguro ako kapag nalaman kong may babae siya. Baka mapatay ko yung kabet. Silang dalawa, actually. Sabi nila, a way to a man's heart is through his stomach. Sa gandang mo yan, siguro madami kang alam na shortcut. I don't need to read your research report. I know the market because I am the market. Anything I can do to help you? Naku, wag na. Mamaya, makita mo na nilalagyan ko ang pagkain mo ng lason. Ano bang mahirap kalaban? Yung putang mahirap o yung putang mayaman? Alam mo kasi, ang marriage parang exclusive village. Kailangan mong bantayan para hindi makapasok ang mga squatters. Anong gagawin nyo if the only man that you love is unfortunately married? Ang mundo ay isang malaking kiyapo, maraming snatcher, maaagawan ka, lumaban ka. You can call me anything you want, a snake, a bitch, an other woman, but I will never be a pathetic, boring housewife. Bikini mo ba yan o balat mo?